Today I am go over the modeling adding integers. So let's start with counters. Positive 1 will be open circle. Negative 1 will be shaded circle. They both look shaded, but this one, the first one is positive and the second one is negative. So first we're going to draw the integer counters, sometimes we call it chips, to represent the expression. We're going to form the zero pairs and then count the remaining counters. So number one, we have negative 6 at 4. Negative 6, I need 6 shaded circle. Then I have 4 positive, 4 open circle. Then I'm going to form zero pairs. And then I'll take away that zero pair, will leave with the remaining counters will be my answer. So it will be 2, negative. Shaded mean negative. Number 2, negative 3 at negative 5. Negative 3, I need 3 shaded circle. And then negative 5, I need 5 shaded circle. So we don't have any zero pairs. We don't have any positive numbers. So this will be all your answer. Negative 3 and negative 5 will be negative 8. Number 3, 10 plus negative 2. So I would need 10 open circle. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I need negative 2 shaded. Then I'm going to form zero pairs and take them away. 1, 2. I will have my remaining counters will be my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is positive 8. Write the expression represent the counter below. So we have 3 negative, because they are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 7 positive. I'll take away the zero pairs. Will leave me with the answer is 4. Number 5, write the expression represent the counter below. We have 2 positive, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 negative. So 2 add negative 5. Form the zero pair, take away the zero pair, we left with 3 negative, negative 3. Number 9, write an addition or subtraction show on the number line. So when we start with the number line, you always start at 0. So we're gonna look at the arrow that have 0. So first we're gonna start with this one. So this first arrow go to the left. The left mean negative 7 unit. Okay, it's end right here. Okay, we're going to see how many units that they go on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add 4. Don't get confused when they say negative 3 right here. It's go to the right 4 units, so I add 4. This kind of like zero pair right here. So I take away that zero pair, will leave me the answer is negative 3. Number 7, again, we always start at 0. We look at the arrow that start at the 0. So it go to the right 9 unit. We have 9. And then from 9, it go to the left. Let's see how many units. Because go to the left, so it become negative. Let's see how many units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And again, if they are matching, That's form a zero pair on the number line as well. You take away, this is your answer, -2. Number 8. Okay, we're gonna draw the arrow. Let's start with -5. Always start at 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we end at -5, but we're gonna go 4 units to the right. 1, 2, 4. I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we end right here. This matching is your 0 pairs. And this is -1. From here to there is -1. Number 9, we start at 0. 6, I need to go to the right, 6 unit. -3 mean I'm gonna go back, go to the left, 3 unit, 1, 2, 3. 0 pairs, and this is my answer, 3. +3, 0 to 3 is +3. After we model using counters and number lines, we come up with the rules. Okay, so we have the song, adding song, row, row your boat song. So you're gonna sing and it sound like that song, and then we just using these rules to do math. So adding song, row, row the boat song. So it's gonna be same side, add and keep, different sides subtract, keep the side of higher number, then you be a sec. So same side, you're gonna add and keep the side. Different side, you're gonna subtract and keep the side of higher number. I'm gonna do one problem that's same side, add and keep. So it's gonna be like number 4 right here. So they are same side because they are both negative. So you're gonna add and keep the side. So add them up, you have 12, but you're gonna keep the side, mean it's gonna be negative. They both negative, so it is negative. Let's try number 3. They are same side because in front of the 30 is nothing. That means 30 is positive. 30 add 5 is 35. And they are positive because 5 and 30 are positive. So I add and keep the side. All right. Same thing like number 5. Are they same side or they are different side? They are the same side, right? -10 and -17. So if they are same side, you're gonna add and keep the side. Keep mean they are both negative, so we keep the side as the negative. Next, we have different side. You're gonna subtract and keep the side of higher number. Let's start with number 1. So -8, this is negative. 14 is positive. So when they are different side, you're gonna subtract. 14 subtract to 8 is 6. And then we're gonna keep the side of higher number. So 14 and 8, absolute value of 14 is 14, absolute value of 8 is 8. So 14 is greater than 8, so the side will be positive. Number 2, 5 plus -21. There is nothing in front of 5, so 5 is positive. 21, -21, so -21. So we're gonna use subtraction, because different side we subtract. So 21 subtracted 5 give me 16. And keep the side of higher number. So 21 is greater than 5, so I keep the side as negative. Number 6, negative 12 plus 4. Same side, add and keep, different side, subtract. So this is different side, we're going to subtract. So 12 minus 4 is 8. Keep the side of higher number. So 12 is bigger than 4, so we keep this side as negative.